Stop trying to build a 7-figure business. Seriously, stop chasing every new trend. If you're a woman who is tired of feeling like you have to do it all and be it all just to have business that works, then this is for you. I'm not about to tell you to hustle harder. Quite the opposite. I'll show you how to build a digital income stream that fits into your real life, giving you ownership over time and finances. It's not about going viral or hustling, it's about creating a real asset that works for you while you sleep. My 6-figure digital product formula was created for women who are ready to build income with intention, not overwhelm. Women who want freedom, flexibility, and ownership over their time without chasing trends or burning themselves out online. Inside this course, I will walk you through the entire process step by step, from choosing a profitable product idea, even if you think you don't have a niche, to creating your product with ease, setting up simple automations, and confidently making your first sale. This isn't about hustle, it's about leverage. You will learn how to create a digital product once and let it work for you again and again. Whether you're raising your children, navigating a career shift, rebuilding after divorce, or simply craving more autonomy, this system fits into real life. Trust me, I don't teach theory, I teach what I've personally done and what has generated consistent income for me through ebooks, templates, and digital offers over the years. One of my simplest products, created in just a couple of weeks, has earned over $25,000 and continues to sell passively. That's the power of doing this the right way. You'll never be told to just go viral or post more. Instead, I'll teach you how to create intentional content, validate your idea before you build, and set up a sales system that works quietly in the background, even while you sleep. And no, this is not a get-rich-quick promise. This is a build something real strategy. And if you follow the process, implement what you learn, and stay focused, it becomes very hard not to make money. Trust me, every digital product you create becomes an asset, something that can pay you for months or years to come. This course is for you if you're ready to stop overthinking and start building. If you're ready to trust yourself, take aligned action, and finally create income that supports your life, not the other way around. And if you're ready to break the cycle of overwhelm for good, then I invite you to go deeper with me in my signature course. It's the complete step-by-step roadmap for your future success.